Upod ko na si guys, kasi yam-yam kasi mama.
I'm here now in Manila, together with my cousin April. Hi! My daughter.
Mahal. Grabe.
We ordered
Sa airport.
barbecue.
840 plus.
For barbecue. And then
Oo, grabe. Grab kung nag-taxi. Sobra malapit sa Smith.
Ay! Sorry. Calamansi, guys.
Mahal gali. Pero hindi magiglayo.
But we're still waiting for our...
Hindi kayo halin sa airport. Puro.
So I'm making sausawan, guys. And of course, this is my favorite. And this is sinamak. Pero hindi lumalabas yung mga ano. And also this one. And this one. Parang nakulangan dito.
Napila na di ka
Hindi
bilugaw?
ng pantay. Wait. Ilagay natin pag okay.
Mag-ask ka ng tissue after.
Okay. Ayan na, guys. See, this is my cousin April.
Yum-yum naman.
Yes, and this is my daughter. We're still waiting for our next. The barbecue is coming. Okay, here we go.
Excited ko sa dito.
Okay. Hi, guys. Visit. Ano malangsa?
Sa food.
Basta palinis. Ano naman? So guys, this is pork hot dog. Okay. This is chicken blood. Oh my god, chicken blood. I don't know if you're eating that one. Okay guys, ayan po. And this is the price here. Si ate yung owner. Hi, ate. Ay, meron pa dito. So nice. See guys, lots of fun here in Philippines. Look at Kuya. Hi Kuya, how are you po?
Good.
What's your name? Taga saan po kayo Kuya?
Actually, taga-provincia ko, Manila.
Where's your province?
Virgin Summer.
Samar. Say hi to your family. Hi.